Hello, Chef here. Today I'm carving a cantaloupe using these garnishing tools. I'm going to select a few tools and get it carved up. Follow along. Okay, first thing we're going to do is cut the bottom off this and make it stable. Nice and flat, like this. Pretty level. There we go. Okay, looks good, nice and ripe. On this carving, I'm going to be using about the bottom 3 inches. So I'm going to use my V-cut and just go all the way around in a nice pattern like this. Nice, look at that. Remove the seeds with a spoon, like this. Okay, I'm going to use the bottom for my carving, and the top piece I'm going to use part of it for the base, like this. Okay. All right. I'm going to use the smaller piece of this garnishing tool. So, okay, you can see what I got going on here. Now I'm going to add the large melon baller. Put a few of these melon balls right inside there. Okay, I'm just finishing up this cantaloupe with a little bit of fresh fruit garnish here. We're going to put a couple of cherries around the perimeter of this cantaloupe, like this. Okay, we've got some of the trimming pieces we're just going to put around the plate just because they look kind of cool. All right, we're going to put a couple of other fresh fruits here. I've got some mandarin oranges. Put a little orange into some of these, as well as yogurt in the center. Maybe a couple of blueberries, and adding a strawberry here. So for the strawberry, we're just going to do a real quick little flower here like this. Okay, so that is one of the cantaloupe desserts. Please like, share, and comment what you think. Stay tuned, there's another one coming. But I think it turned out pretty nice, pretty cool. Yeah. Gonna be good. Could also add just a couple cantaloupe balls around the plate. That's it. Score the tools right there at the sponsor.